Well, here we are, guys, working on the old mobile home again, and we're going to continue on the floor right now. We're just going to try to do a quick, easy project, and that is patching up all these old duct holes that are in the floor. We're almost done with this back half of the home. We have this door to do, but otherwise everything is looking pretty good so far. So here's what we're working with. This is where the old furnace used to be. We also have the wire, an old vent, dryer vent, all kinds of stuff going on here. So we're going to pull up this section and get rid of it. Now we won't be needing any of this old duct work. It's no good. It's all corroded and has holes in it. We're going to be changing to a new heating system. So ideally I would love to get rid of this whole duct altogether. I want to get it out of here. I don't know, maybe I'll take a look at that first. Maybe we can see if we can get rid of it, because that would make a lot of things easier. Mm-hmm. This one feels pretty free, a little bit. Right now we're just disconnecting the ductwork from the floor. They got little staples in it. This is screwed in, but hopefully they screwed it poorly. Let's see if it comes out.
See any Phillips bits in those?
Wait, I think I got it. I think I got it. Yeah, poorly done. Little tiny screws. I lost the caps in this, if you see it in the way. I don't know why it keeps coming out. Now this is the last one, I think, and this one looks really weird. Is this a patch? I don't know. Oh! Okay.
Wow.
It's one way to get it out. So I'm underneath the house, and here is that ductwork. And I don't know if you're going to see it, but it goes and goes and goes. All the way down. For as long as you can see. So I got some weird strapping on here we got to disconnect, but I'm going to try to get this out. I don't know if it's loose. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's a lot looser now. We're going to try to yank this out and see if it comes. I wish I could show you better of how long this thing is.
Oh, it's going to look like, you know.
It'll keep going.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. Once we get it outside of... I'll put a thorn under my butt. Well, we're slowly making it. Hold on. Are you lifting it? I can't move it. Where's it going? Under the bus?
Yeah. The worm.
And that's not all of it. We had to cut out 2 full sections
Wow.
to get it out.
I wish we could just
Okay.
open it up.
Hold on, hold on. Some of it went back down the track. A nickel. A tack. That's nice to have in our driveway. A screw.
Yep. Penny. This is like metal detecting, right?
Yeah, a plastic bead. Better. There's the last of it, and another dime.
Wow. So it's all out now.
It's all out.
Oh, what a mess, right?
Yeah. And while some of the ductwork might look good, a lot of it was like this, all corroded through, all corroded through.
Yeah.
It was no good anymore.
Look at this. You would just be losing all that air.
Well, even if you don't use the duct, you wouldn't want a spot for mice and stuff to
Make homes and travel through and
Yep.
yuck.
Well guys, that was a chore, but we got it done. We really struggled to get that ductwork out. It was so full of holes that it kept getting snagged on every single metal bracing that was down there. And
Plus when it makes a crease, it would like crease over the metal
yeah.
things and...
But we got it out, and now I'm standing in a hole where the duct used to be, and that means we can work a lot easier here. And I was able to mark out where this floor joist is a lot easier. So now I'm ready to draw a line. We're gonna get this cut out and make this floor a little bit safer. We just wanna make sure there's nothing for the saw to get snagged on so it can slide smoothly. That's all that noise out here. So today was a day full of unexpected things. First, the unexpected job with that duct work, which I'm so happy we got done. And then some unexpected problems. I really just wanted to start with just doing a simple floor patch, but after looking at it, I can't help myself. I have to do it right. I can't stop halfway knowing that there's more problems to come. So I'm gonna stop here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until we can get out to the mobile home supply store, and we're gonna buy a new back door. This one is just toasted. Once we get the door, then we'll pull all this out. We'll replace the floor, and we'll be able to fix all that rot down there. It's gonna be a much bigger area than I expected, but I'm gonna feel good about getting that done. But even more than that, we just discovered another problem. Over where the floor wasn't rotted at all, behind that little trim aluminum, the sill board is completely rotted. And I was saying, how is this happening? There's no rot in the plywood, everything looks good, but that sill board is gone. And now it's just striking me. This is where that little deck was built that we tore down early on. We have a video of that. That deck was holding water against the house. And that's probably why that's all rotted out down there. Because it's more than we can accomplish today, we're gonna quit before we get too far into it. And get our supplies and our plan together, and we'll come back another day. But good progress. At the end here, I'll pull some of this trim off so you guys can see the damage we're looking at. I guess that's all we have for now. So thanks for joining us and supporting us along our mobile home renovation. And until next time, take care.
Bye.
You see what I mean? We can fix this.